Alright, hello, this is Steve with Puzzle Puzzler. This is Aubrey. And Natalie is back here floating around somewhere. I don't know. Watch out. Halloween. Anyways. Okay. I'm giggling so much. Okay, last time we went over some of the puzzles we got at the dollar store. And I said we're going to pick one. And some of us here voted on the smaller one, the 300 piecer. Whoops, it's upside down. And here you can see the, what is it? The Sunset in Texas, it says. And this one is a small one, it's a 300, it's 11 by 14 inches. If you can see that, we should get through that fairly quickly. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that. I don't know what my kids are doing in the background, but... okay, here we go. End pieces here. And we'll figure out exactly where they go. We want all the end pieces out. All the end pieces. End pieces. Yes, end pieces. Let's see. As you can see here in the puzzle, a lot of these pieces were interchangeable, especially I had a lot of trouble here at the end. I got down here into the trees and a lot of them were fitting where they didn't go, and with all the different shades of green there, it got a little hard to tell, and the things just weren't fitting right, and I put the whole puzzle together and the pieces weren't right, so I had to go back, take them all out, and start over. Just in that section, of course. But yeah, other than that, it was a nice puzzle. It was fun. It was only a couple hours, and all in all, I'd say it was pretty good. The kids didn't help as much as I would hope they would, but I expected that. Alright, so that was our Sunset in Texas puzzle. It was a lot of fun. For only $1. Again, very excited. I can't wait to try out some of the other puzzles that I got for only $1 from the dollar store. I don't know if I'll do a 500 piece or a 1,000 piece next, but I will do another video and you can follow me there. Here is, you can't see, Julian. He was one of my helpers on the puzzle today, and he's already helped me to tear it down, so that's great. Always a big help. So anyways, my name is Steve, I'm Puzzle Puzzler, and we'll see you next time. So here came Julian. He decided he would just come and tear everything apart. You can see there, he got a hold of it already, and He's helping Daddy. He says, it's time to take it apart now. Do you have kids? Then you know what I'm going through. Real quick, Natalie's gonna do a dance. Ah! All right, hello everyone. This is Steve and Aubrey with Puzzled Puzzler, and we're bringing you a puzzle this week. Last week we went over. Hey, what's going on back here? Uh-oh. Moving. Stop it. Stop it. Ah. All right. Are we ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.